Flex seal. This old tin boat ain't much to look at. She's beat up, leaks a little, and seen better days. She's got potential. Once upon a time, we drug hundreds of fish across her bow. She was a river fishing machine. Today we're going to start getting her river ready with some down-to-earth, budget-friendly fixes. Fix some leaks, a place for rods maybe, a better place to set eventually. Nothing fancy, just getting the job done. Let's get after it. See if I can get these knots out. I can tie knots in fishing line, but in rope never was my forte. I didn't join the Navy. I might even have to worry about it. Maybe some new ratchets. Looks like she's leaking right here at the seam and the plug. Well, maybe not though, it's holding that water. She ain't crying.
It may be a bit redneckish, but I got one of these things.
Alright, back from the store, made a supply run. Got a couple of things we need for this blue collar boat build. It's like Frankenstein's monster. Let's bring her back to life. See if we can air up these old trailer tires. Got a portable power bank and an air compressor I keep in my truck. Might do it. A cigarette lighter. Alright, let's see about sorting some of these leaks now. Flex seal. Get a roll of baling wire and a roll of duct tape, and we can fix anything. Alright, we've got the seams flex sealed. We've got the new screws put in for the brackets. We're going to put we put some pool noodles in the bottom of this thing for extra buoyancy if it does take on water. Hopefully it won't. Got the cross bracket in for the flooring, and now we'll cut the first piece of plywood for the floor. Got a new stern light and a new bow light. we're still within a blue collar budget. New stern light, floors cutting in. Figured out the seating. Put a new piece up here on the bow. Next we'll throw some mat down on top of this wood. Mounted a new safety light. Trailer tires are aired up so it can be moved. Have to make another list for the next part of this project, but she's coming together. That's going to do it for part 1 of the Jon Boat Build. We got the floor in and made some real progress, but there's still more to do. Foam, carpet, trailer light, the whole nine. If you're into this kind of no frills budget build, make sure to like the video and subscribe. Part 2 is coming soon, and we'll keep pushing to get this boat river ready. Appreciate y'all watching. This is Blue Collar Fishing, and I'll see you next time.